Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable notifications for when someone adds your photo to their Instagram post on PC, thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your settings easily. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings for your account. Next, look for the Notifications option in the Settings menu and click on it. This section lets you control all the notifications you receive from Instagram, tailoring them to your preferences. Now, you'll see different types of notifications listed. Click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll find all the choices related to what notifications you get on your desktop. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Added to Post. This setting specifically controls notifications regarding when someone adds your photo to their post. To disable this, simply select Off, and that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications for being added to posts. Now you can enjoy your Instagram experience without those pesky alerts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.